This dance is called New Patches. It's a 64 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one restart. Starting on our right foot, step locks forward. So on the right, step, lock, step, hold, then left, step, lock, step, hold. There are no and counts in this dance at all. So that section once more then, off on the right into those step locks. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. 2 coaster steps. First one going forwards. So we're going to step forward on the right, step left beside the right, step the right back, and hold. So that's your coaster step, forward coaster step with a hold. Add on a coaster step now, but with a cross, ordinary one, going backwards, back on the left, right beside the left, cross the left over, hold. So it's a forward coaster step, and then a coaster cross. Off on the right, 7, 8, coaster, step, hold, coaster, cross, hold. So you just have to remember the first one's going forwards. Put those 2 sections together then. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, coaster, step, hold, coaster, cross, hold. Couple of scissor steps. So step the right to the side, left beside right, cross the right over, that's your scissor step, hold. Repeat with the left foot, side, close, cross, hold. 2 scissor steps. Just do those once more, off on the right. 7, 8, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. Coaster, step, hold, coaster, cross, hold. Scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Vibing to the right. Step right to the side, cross left behind, step right to the side, touch. Then we're going to add on a 3/4 turn to our left, made up of 3 quarter turns. So the first turn, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Make a further quarter turn left as you step the right to the side. Another quarter turn left as you step that left forward. So it's almost like stepping it in place. Touch the right beside the left. So that section once more. Vine to the right, followed by those turns. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch. Now it is a 3/4 turn. If you struggle to do that, your non-turning option would be do your line to the right as normal. Instead of putting all these turns in, step the left to the side, rock back on the right, as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn right, touch the right beside the left. Non-turning alternative, should you wish to try and take that 3/4 turn out. That is then our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, hold, coaster, step, hold, coaster, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, side, behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch. From our halfway point then, half rubber boxes, travelling forwards, off on that right. So step right to the side, feet together, left, right forward, hold. Repeat with the left, left to side, right beside the left, step the left forward, hold. Nice and easy. Do that once more, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, step, hold. Half around the box going backwards. So we step the right to the side, left beside the right, step the right, back, hold. Coast across, back, close, cross, hold. So that set of steps once more then, back half around the box, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, hold, coaster, cross, hold. So add that to our halfway point. Half around the box is going forward, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, coaster, cross, hold. Vine to the right, so step right to the side, cross left behind, right to the side, so only the 3 steps of the vine. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight back on the right, step the left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left. So that section once more then, the vine to the right, right foot leading, 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, rock. So there are no pauses in that section. So add that to our halfway point, half round the boxes forward, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, rock. So once you've done this cross rock, we're going into a chassé, but we're going to put half a turn on the end. So we step the right to the side, left beside the right. Then you're going to make half a turn right. So you step on that right, hitch the left. So you will probably find that when you actually do it, you don't do the full half a turn. You'll probably do a quarter and you finish it off when you're actually doing that hitch. And then add on a vine to the left. Step left to the side, cross right behind, left to the side, touch the right. And you're ready to start the dance again with your step locks. So that section once more then, that chassé with that half a turn into the vine. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. Let's add that to our halfway point. Round the box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, coaster, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. So that is our 2 halves. Let's add them together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. Coaster, step, hold, coaster, cross, hold. Scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Side, behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch. Side, close, step, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, coaster, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. So that is your dance. Like I said, there are no and counts in this dance whatsoever, but it is a formal dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, coaster, step, coaster, cross, scissor, step, side, behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch, side, close, step, side, close, back, coaster, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, side cross, rock, side close, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, coaster, step, coaster, cross, scissor, step, scissor, step, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, side close, step, side close, step, side close, back, coaster, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, side close, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, coaster, step, coaster, cross, scissor, step, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, side close, step, side close, step, side close, back, coaster, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, side close, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. But there is a little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3, which is our back wall, after 32 counts, so halfway through the dance. So you will have done that 3/4 of a turn, 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 touch, and you restart the dance at that point with your step locks. So let's take you up to the restart point and restart the dance on wall 3. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, coaster, step, coaster, cross, scissor, step, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, restart, step, lock, step, step, lock, step. So that is your restart point, wall 3, after 32 counts. So that's your dance, your walkthrough, your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. This is your restart wall. Side behind, side touch, turn, 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 restart. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, coaster, step, coaster, cross, scissor, step, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, side close, step, side close, back, coaster, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, side close, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch, step, lock, step, lock, step, coaster, cross, scissor, step, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, side close, step, side close, back, coaster, cross, side behind, side cross, rock, side close, cross, scissors, step. Hope you managed that one.